Welcome, compassionate travelers. Today's episode shines a light on the brave world of special needs pets and their dedicated owners. We delve into the heart of love, compassion, and inclusivity that transforms travel experiences. Learn how love and preparation can turn travel into an inclusive adventure. Special needs can range from mobility issues and chronic illnesses to sensory impairments. Each pet is unique, carrying their own set of challenges. Whether it's a dog with arthritis or a cat with vision loss, these conditions shape their lives but don't define them. Each condition requires unique care and attention, especially when traveling. Preparation starts with a vet visit to ensure your pet is fit for travel. It's essential to discuss any concerns with your vet, from your pet's diet to their comfort during the journey. You'll want to plan ahead, factoring in meal times, rest breaks, and medication schedules if applicable. Remember, every pet is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. So take the time to tailor your travel itinerary around your pet's needs. Customizing your travel plans to suit your pet's routine and medical needs is crucial. For mobility impaired pets, consider a supportive harness or pet wheelchair. These tools offer invaluable assistance, allowing your pet to navigate with ease and confidence. Now, if your pet requires medication, a portable, temperature-controlled storage case is a must-have. This ensures your pet's meds remain safe and effective during your travels. And let's not overlook the importance of a good carrier. This isn't just any carrier, but one that's accessible, providing your pet comfort and security while also being easy for you to handle. It's the perfect blend of functionality and convenience. Remember, every piece of gear contributes to your pet's overall well-being. Don't forget an accessible carrier for easy transport. Select destinations that accommodate your pet's needs, from accessible parks to pet-friendly accommodations with quiet, comfortable spaces. Think about what your pet enjoys and can comfortably do. Do they love open spaces to roam or prefer quiet corners to relax? Balance these considerations with practical aspects like the availability of veterinary services. Prioritize destinations that offer both fun and safety for your pet. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination. Choose locations that provide comfort, accessibility, and a welcoming environment for your pet. Meet Bella, a senior dog with arthritis who thrives on road trips thanks to her custom ramp and travel bed. Bella's owners invest time in researching pet-friendly stops and accommodations, ensuring she can move around comfortably and enjoy the journey as much as the destination. Their dedication allows Bella to experience the thrill of new environments, despite her mobility challenges. Let's not forget about Daisy, a dog with diabetes. Her owners maintain a regular feeding and insulin schedule, even on the road. They've also invested in a portable refrigerator for her medication, ensuring Daisy can join them on their camping adventures. And then there's the story of a parrot named Polly with a heart condition. Polly's owners make sure she's always in a temperature-controlled environment and keep her stress levels low with soothing music. Last but not least, meet Max, a visually impaired cat who explores new places with his scent-marked toys and calming pheromones. Max's owners understand his unique needs and make every trip a sensory delight. No matter the challenge, these stories prove that with love and preparation, travel can be a joy for every pet. Regular breaks, hydration, and a calm environment are vital. Remember, you're not just on a journey, you're creating an experience for your special needs pet. Embrace the slow pace, take frequent breaks, and offer plenty of water. Create a peaceful atmosphere with soft sounds and soothing scents. And don't forget the power of familiarity. Bring along their favorite blanket or toy. It's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. And making that journey as comfortable as possible. Use familiar items like blankets or toys to provide comfort and security. Discover more inspiring stories and resources on petaccessibility.org and inclusivepettravel.com. Platforms dedicated to making travel accessible for all pets. These treasure troves are brimming with tips, advice, and heartwarming stories that champion inclusivity in pet travel. Browse these platforms for more stories, advice, and resources on traveling with special needs pets. Traveling with special needs pets shows the world through a lens of love and adaptation. It's not just a journey, it's a life-changing adventure. Be part of this compassionate community. Like, subscribe, and explore our resources. Share your journey with us in the comments below.